Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Thinkific detailed guide step by step clearly. In the address bar, type in www.thinkific.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Started Free button. Click on the Get Started Free button to proceed. You will be directed to a sign up page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password in the provided box. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. If you have a referral code, you can enter it in the specified area. Once all information is filled out, click on the Sign Up button. After signing up, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the email from Thinkific. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This will redirect you back to the Thinkific site. Now, you can set up your Thinkific account. Fill in any additional information needed to complete your profile. Once your profile is set up, explore the dashboard. To choose a subscription plan, navigate to the pricing section. Review the available plans and their features. Select the plan that fits your needs. Click on the Start Free Trial button for the selected plan. You may need to input payment details to continue. After entering your payment information, confirm your subscription. Once complete, you can access all features related to your chosen plan. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and options available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.